What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the armored iron spider. Let's begin in the center of our page at the top edge of the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to curve the eye going up and then we'll bend that out. Now line up the inside over on the right and curve in the opposite direction, going up and then out. Now let's curl up the tip of the eyes, starting back on the left, go out and then up. And it'll connect the tip to the inside with a curve. Just going to round up the side of the eye, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then just pull that up. Now with the eyes in place, let's draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, curve the head, coming down, just going to round up the chin, so go across, and then back up on the right. And then we'll go back to the left side and draw on the top of the head. Starting out here, go around the eye, pull that up and in towards the top, round up the head, go across, and then back in on the right. Let's add some detail to the mask. We're going to start on the left side, and go down and in, and line this up on the right. Down and in. And we'll pull that straight down towards the bottom of the head. Let's go to the center and add that chin piece. Start with a straight line, going across, angle down and out. Let's go to the side of the eyes, angle up and out with a straight line. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start all the way over on the left side, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go over towards the right, go out, and then down towards the same height. Now I'm going to bend the arms out along the side. Let's start underneath the head on the left, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the elbow, go to the right, bring that down towards the same height. Now from here, draw a straight angled line going up and out towards the wrist. Now I'm going to create a fist on either side. So let's start from the wrist, start with the thumb going up, and bend that down, round up the thumb, and pull that back up. And now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the side of the thumb, start with a half oval, going out and then in, come down to the bottom, add another oval, going up underneath the thumb. And we'll do that one more time. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to close off the inside edge of the hand. Let's start from the bottom finger, curve the palm coming down. I'm just going to pull that up toward the top of the wrist. Let's go to the inside of the palm, curve the forearm coming down and then in towards the elbow. And we'll curve the arm coming in and up towards the side of the body. Now from the top of the elbow, curve this out and then down towards the bottom of the arm. We're also going to separate the bottom of the forearm. From the wrist, draw a straight line coming in. Now we're going to add a simplified logo in the center of the body. Start from the top right in the middle, start with a short line going across, straight up the sides, and angle this down and out, and then pull that back down and in towards the middle of the body. Now from that center point, we're going to step out, draw 2 short lines going across, and then from the ends, curve this up and out towards the side of the arm. Now I'm going to trace this out along the top, stepping up towards the top of the arm, taper this in and then down, angle this down and in towards the inside. And then from that inside point, let's step down, curve out, and then down towards the side of the body. Let's thicken up this trim. From the inside, we're just going to taper this out and then down. From the center, we're going to step down, angle down and out towards the left and right. And we'll pull this all the way down towards the bottom with a curve. And down and in. Let's add another set of legs on the outside. Stepping out, we're just going to trace this out and down. Curves down and in towards the bottom. And then we'll thicken this up. Angle down and out. Curves down and in towards the bottom. Let's add a little bit more detail to the arms. Starting from the elbow, curve it in and then down towards the bottom of the elbow. Then from the side of the body, curve up and out. Now we continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. From the center point, let's step down, add a curve from left to right, going up and then down. And then leaving a small gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. We'll start from the left side, curve the foot coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round out the top of the foot. We're going to go up. Just going to pull that down, aiming towards the heel. We're going to stop right about there. And go down and out towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go back up to the hips and round out the side of the leg. Starting from the left, curve this out, and then down on top of the foot. And now we're going to add some more detail to the leg. Let's start by adding a toe cap. Start from the top left, curve in, and then down. And then from the top of the foot, let's step up, draw a short line coming in, line that up on the right, and then curve the boot coming in and then down. Let's go to the top of the leg on the inside, angle down and out on both sides, and we'll curve up and out towards the side of the leg. Now let's place those mechanical arms in behind the body. We're going to start from the top of the arm on the left, curve this out, and then up. Go over towards the right, just curving around the head, and then up. And we'll round out the ends with a bracket, coming back in. And then we'll trace that same curve, coming back in towards the side of the arm. Let's add some texture along the inside. From the top, we're going to step down and draw that same curve, leave a gap. We'll just continue this all the way back in towards the arm and do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to bend these arms coming back in around the hands. Let's start from the left side, curve down and then out. And then from the end, draw a straight line going up. Let's go back up to the top, draw a straight angled line going out. And we'll connect the top to the bottom with the same curve. Going down and then out. And then we'll add that same texture along the inside. Starting from the outside, curve in and then down, step up and draw that twice. Let's close off the top. From this point, draw a straight line going up, and we'll curve this out and then back down. Now I'm going to draw the ends of the arm. Starting from this point, curve down, around the hand, and then in. Then going back up to the top, draw a straight line going out. And you want to connect this point to the bottom with a curve to create that claw. Now we're going to connect this point to the bottom with a curve, just rounding this out. Now we're going to add the final arm coming out from the left side. Start from the hip, curve this out and then down. flatten off the bottom, and it'll follow that same curve going back up and in underneath the arm. Let's add that same texture, stepping up, curving in and then down, leaving a gap, and just working our way towards the body. Let's go back to the inside, curve this in, and then up towards the tip. Now going back to that same point, draw a short line coming down, and we'll close off the outside of the claw. And then finally, we'll just close off this end with the curve coming around and then in. And that's pretty much it. There's our armored iron spider. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.